It could be thrilling to explore the world of luxury and adventure with luxury submarine and helicopter explorations. Luxurious submarines. Number 1. Migalu, $2.3 billion. Number 2. Phoenix 1000, $80 million. Number 3. Seattle 1000, $25 million. Number 4. Yellow Submarine, $12 million. Number 5. James Cameron's Deep Sea Challenger, $8 million. Luxurious helicopters. Number 1. Airbus H225 Super Puma, $27 million. Number 2. Augusta Westland AW101, $21 million. Number 3. Sikorsky S92, $17.7 million. Number 4. Airbus H215 Super Puma, $15.5 million. Number 5. Bell 525 Relentless, $15 million.